Well, waiting for our next Fundelivered box to come in next week and waiting for the cold to hit San Antonio. I figure I put a little post of these little cuties that my daughter got in her box last week. Found out a few of them are worth quite a bit. But of course my wife's like, no, I'm keeping them. I'm putting them up on the fireplace mantle so everybody can see and we can enjoy them. This little guy's my favorite, I think. So anybody waiting for the storm, be careful, stay warm. If you like our videos, please subscribe, like, comment. If anybody knows how much these are worth, we looked it up a little bit, but you're never quite sure on eBay prices and things like that. So that's about it for me. You have a great week, and again, stay warm, stay safe. Bye.